My name is Bob Grant, and I'm a senior investigator at the Gladstone Institutes at the University of California, San Francisco.
Can you explain first of all what PrEP is?
The idea of PrEP is to take a pill a day to prevent acquisition of HIV. The pill is a medication that attacks HIV virus and prevents it from replicating in the body.
And can you explain the results of the study that you recently conducted?
Well, the study is called IPREX, and it was sponsored by the National Institutes of Health in the United States with co-funding from the Gates Foundation. What we found was that taking a pill a day was associated with decreased chance of getting HIV among people who were exposed.
And why is there so much excitement around this new prevention method?
Well, UNAIDS estimates that there's 2.6 million new infections occurring around the world every year. And up until a few years ago, we really didn't have very effective ways of preventing the spread of HIV. Sure, we could promote condoms and do counseling, and those did have some benefits, but they weren't really highly effective in preventing or stopping the spread of HIV. We now have new ways that we think are highly effective, and one of them is a pill a day.
What groups are you targeting PrEP to, or who would be the ideal candidates to take PrEP?
Well, our study enrolled men who have sex with men and transgender women. And so this is the group who benefited from the PrEP in our study. Now, there are other studies quite similar to ours which have not yet reported their results. And we're hopeful that this approach may be helpful for other groups as well.
So what are the next steps?
Well, the next step for us is to roll everyone previously enrolled in our study into what we call the open label phase of IPREX. So in that phase, we'll give people the pill. We'll tell them what it is and what we found, which is that it can provide protection if taken consistently. And we hope that more people will be able to use it given this new information and the knowledge that the pill is active.
What are the challenges involved in implementing PrEP as a prevention method?
Well, I think the main challenge is helping people decide whether or not this should be part of the ways that they protect themselves. There's many ways that people can protect themselves from HIV. Condoms, getting tested, discussing test results with partners. These are all very important ways. And the pill may be important for some people to add to their protective strategies and activities. I think the first step is to find ways to help people decide whether or not the pill is right for them. And then if they decide to try taking the pill, I think we need to find better ways to support their adherence to the program. It does have to be taken consistently to be highly effective.